Hey guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to solve more of the multiplication and division of algebraic expressions. We're going to do 6 examples and each one is a bit different to the others. So pay attention and you're going to notice if you follow the rules you won't have any problems whatsoever. The first one we have 6p all in bracket squared. You notice everything is squared. The 6 times p, which is 6p, everything is squared. What does squared mean? It means times itself. So 6p, everything in bracket squared. What does that mean? It means 6p times 6p. So in reality, it is written like that. So 6p all in brackets squared is really 6p times 6p. So 6 times 6, 36, and p times p is simply p squared. So 6p all squared is reality 6 times, or 6p times 6p, which is 36p squared. This example, 17b times 2g times 0. Now, we know in mathematics anything times 0 is 0. Exactly the same with algebraic expressions. Nothing different. So 17b times 2g, 17b times 2g is 34bg, but it's times 0, so our answer is simply 0. So algebraic expressions, they follow the same behavior as normal numbers. Anything times 0 is 0. Another example, 9x divided by 3 times 2x. Now, algebraic expressions follow the same rules as BODMAS. So, times and divide, they're in the second stage or second level in BODMAS. We do brackets first, then we do times and divide. We have to work from left to right. So left to right, 9x divided by 3, then times 2x. 9x divided by 3, we know we can write it as 9x over 3, which is 9x divided by 3, or 9x over 3 is 3x. That is completed as 3x. Then 3x times 2x. Our answer, 3 times 2 is 6, and then x times x, x squared. So 3x times 2x, 6x squared is our final answer for that question. We'll do another 3 more examples. Okay, let's do this example. 2a in brackets, all squared, everything divided by 12. So 2a all in brackets squared divided by 12a. Okay, let's do it. Now we always start with the top, try to simplify it, and then divide by the bottom. So 2a all in brackets squared, meaning 2a times 2a. So 2a times 2a over 12a. That's in reality what the question is saying. So 2a times 2a is 4a squared over 12a. 4a squared over 12a. We know that a squared is in reality a times a. So this a will go with 1 on top, because a times a, there's 2 of them on top. 1 on the bottom will go with one of the top ones. And 4 over 12, we know it's a fraction. 4 over 12, we divide by 4, highest common factor. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. So simple fractions, 4 over 12 is the same as 1/3. The a on the bottom will go with one of the a's on top. We're left with an a on top. So 1a over 3, or you can write it as a over 3. So 2a squared over 12a will simplify, and the answer will be a over 3. We'll do another example here. 4x times 5b, all divided by or over 2x. So everything here is multiplied times 2x. So 4x times 5b, 4x times 5b is 20 bx, that's the top, divided by the 2x, which is the denominator, 2x here. Our answer, 20 divided by 2, so 20 divided by 2 is 10, and the b doesn't have anyone on the bottom, it stays, and the x's cancel out, one from the top and one from the bottom. The answer is 10b. Last one, we have 10y times 3y, all of it, everything, divided by 5y squared. So we complete the top first. 10y times 3y, we can write it here, 30y squared. 10 times 3 is 30, y times y is y squared. 30y squared divided by 5y squared. So 30 divided by 5 is 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Y squared divided by y squared, they just cancel out. Y squared divided by y squared cancels out. Our answer is 6.